Okay, we're going to do level 3. Level 3 is sort of philosophical questions about how the area formulas work. So the first one we have here is, in your own words or pictures, why is the triangle area formula half the rectangle area formula? So first of all, let's think about a rectangle. Here's a rectangle. A rectangle has a base and a height, and the area is base times height. Now if you think about it, if I take this rectangle and I cut it, and I cut off this piece and this piece here, what leaves me is a triangle. But even more amazingly, if I take this piece and this piece and I put them back together, I end up with another completely congruent triangle. So that this triangle and this triangle are equal. They have the same base, they have the same height. What that means, of course, is that a rectangle, which is base times height, equals 2 triangles. Or a triangle is a rectangle divided by 2, which is exactly where the formula comes from. Base times height divided by 2. Alright, second question. In your own words or pictures, why is the parallelogram formula the same as the rectangle formula? So let's think about a rectangle again. You take a rectangle, and the rectangle is going to be base times height. Now, if you were to slice a triangle off of this rectangle and move it over here, well, what you'd end up with is a parallelogram. You'd have exactly the same amount of space as you had before. The area wouldn't change. Also, the base would be exactly the same as it was before. That didn't change. And the height would be exactly the same. So the area, the base of the rectangle, stays the same. And so that equals the base times the height of the parallelogram. And since you don't gain or lose any area, if that stays the same, then the rectangle equals the base times the height, which is equal to the parallelogram, which also equals the same base times the same height. So for that reason, they have the same formula, base times height for rectangles as well as for parallelograms. Thank you very much. See you in level 4.